Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to write Python code in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to get a cell right here that has Python code directly in it. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the first thing I want to do if I want to activate Python code in Excel is click in any cell and hit Control, Alt, Shift, and P at the same time. And once I do that, you can see that my cell up here, as well as my cell down here, are denoted with this PY. And that is a visual way to know that there's Python code in this cell. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So I'm just going to type some Python code here. I'm going to do XL with a left parenthesis. And then I'm just going to select my data right here in column A, and then type a comma. And then I'm going to say headers equals true, because my header is right here in A1. And then if I want to go to the next line in my code, I can just hit enter. And I can start typing something else on this next line. So there's a lot that you can do with Python in Microsoft Excel, and we go over this way more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.